Hi, this is Ravina Mehta and you're watching me on Bollywood Helpline. For more news on Bollywood, like and subscribe the Bollywood Helpline channel. So we created Yaadein in February with the initial thought that we're going to put it out as a Valentine's release. Circumstances have had it that we had to put it out as a quarantine release. But Yaadein, as you guys know, is a very simple, beautiful melody. It's a very simplistic track. Something about Yaadein is that we had considered putting, stereoing the guitars, putting pads on the song. We never really considered beats, but we did consider kind of changing it up a little bit. But we came back to the basics, which was the simplicity of the song, which is what all of us had fallen in love with in the first place. So that's a little something about Yaadein. Shooting the music video for Yaadein was one of the most magical experiences on set. I think when your surroundings are so beautiful and you're surrounded with such passionate people, it's bound to be a fantastic experience. So shooting in Manali was absolutely incredible. We had so much fun on set. I'm Gujarati, the director Dhruval Patel and his entire team, Avish and Jigar, all of them are Gujarati. So it was a lot of fun joking around with them. I think Avi at this point has caught on to the language as well, which is quite funny. But I think we really had a brilliant time. I think it's genuinely when very passionate people come together, some beautiful results come about. So yeah. Yes, so Avi and I are planning on working on a couple of other songs. We already have one in the works, and I think it's quite beautiful when two very passionate, creative people come together to create music. And I think Avi and my vision really aligns as well. And it's always nice to work with someone who's like-minded. We've also known each other since we were 16, which obviously adds a great factor of friendship into our equation. So that's always amazing. So yeah, we'll definitely be working on new things. Keep a watch out. So we decided to launch the song during lockdown, primarily because I think it was so relevant to the time. We had shown it to a couple of labels earlier, and for whatever reasons things didn't work out, and we decided to go independent. And all of us on the team thought that there wouldn't be a better time to release it than right now during quarantine, mostly because the song is so powerful in its simplicity. The message is so clear, and the message is truly just about love and distances. And I think that is something that the world is really going through at this time as we speak. And I think that was just primarily the reason that we decided to put it out during this time, because I think we all believe that it would have struck a chord with people, and people would have appreciated the song and allowed it to do its magic. So yeah. Yes, so there's actually going to be a lot more coming out this year. We have a couple of projects in the works right now and in the pipeline, which is super exciting. So I hope that all of you keep a watch out. They're all very diverse and nuanced in their own ways, which is always really exciting as well. So yeah, keep a watch out. Earlier this year, just before the lockdown, I was in Dubai where I shot 3 music videos. They're all stylistically extremely different songs, but they're super fun and beautiful. And yeah, I'm so excited to share them with you. These are songs that I've created with my very close friends and colleagues in the industry, Rishabh Kant, also known as The Rish, and Asad Shabir. Thank you so much.